Mary Moppet's Guild, a STEAM learning lab. A pulley is a simple machine that is used to change the direction of force, often to lift a load. That is, it makes it easier for us to move something. A pulley is a kind of simple machine that uses a wheel with a groove in it and a rope. The rope fits into the groove and one end of the rope goes around the load. You pull the other end of the rope to lift the load. Building simple machines are super fun. This session is about using materials from the recycle bin to make a simple three-wheeled recycled cardboard pulley system. The materials needed for this are 4 paper towel rolls, 3 straws or skewer sticks, 3 bobbins, string or twine, cardboard, small paper cup, masking tape, clay, scissors, a pen or something sharp to poke holes in the cup, pom-poms or some other objects to fill the cup. Let's start first by making the pulley basket. Take the paper cup and poke 2 holes in it right across each other at about 1 centimeter from the top of the cup. Take the string to the length of about 1.5 meters. Feed the string through the holes in the paper cup and tie it. To make a short handle for the cup. Next, let's make the pulleys using the bobbin spools. Cut 6 circles of about 3 inches diameter on the cardboard sheet. Punch holes in the middle of the cardboard circles. Take the skewer stick and feed the skewer stick through the bobbin. Fix the cardboard circle on one cardboard circle on either side of the bobbin and fix it using a piece of clay. A bobbin spool is now ready. Repeat the same with the remaining 2 bobbins. Next step is to make the pulley support using the cardboard rolls. Take the two tall cardboard rolls, poke holes in them using a sharp object directly opposite each other. Poke two holes directly opposite each other. Make the holes big enough for the skewer stick or the straw to pass through them. Repeat the same on the other cardboard roll. Take the third cardboard roll, poke two holes in it directly opposite each other at about 1 inch from the top of the roll. Let this part be intact. Now on the other part, make two big cuts big enough for the bobbin and the card to rest and be able to spin. Repeat the same thing on the small cardboard roll also. Let's fix the bobbin spools onto the cardboard rolls. Pass the skewer stick through the holes in the cardboard rolls. One support is now ready. For the next one, pass it through the holes. And fix it like this. The same thing has been done for the third support also. Fix the support, the cardboard rolls. Fix the bottom of the cardboard rolls on a stable table using masking tape. Our three-wheeled pulley system is now ready. twine over the first bobbin under the second bobbin and over the third bobbin. Fill the basket with pom-poms and lift away. We can use this pulley to raise and lower objects. The pulley helps us to move the load or change the direction of the force. The more the number of anchor points on the pulley, the easier it is to move something using less force. The more the anchor points a pulley system has, the bigger the mechanical advantage of the pulley. Each anchor point reduces the mechanical load by half, and however, the more the anchor points on a pulley system, the longer the string must be to lift the object. A machine such as this winch is used to raise and lower objects. An example of this winch is a bucket in a well. Some examples of pulleys are cranes, flag posts and window blinds. Have fun making your pulley system. See you soon on the next session of Merry Moppets Guild.